Good afternoon, everybody. Today we are going to revise the lesson Paramveer Chakra. Okay, Paramveer Chakra. So we are continuing this lesson Paramveer Chakra. Our heroes. Paramveer Chakra. Lesson. So Paramveer Chakra it is the highest military decoration awarded to the persons awarded to the person for his bravery. Okay, so 21st bravest of the brave Paramveer Chakra was given. So I have mentioned their name. Okay, and design of the Paramveer Chakra we have already discussed in last period. So I'll just read it, the name of the person who got the Paramveer Chakra and how the medal is designed. Okay, who designed this medal? So the Paramveer Chakra medal was designed by Savitribai Khanolkar. She was a European lady who married Vikram Khanolkar, an Indian army officer. Savitribai loved India and took Indian citizenship. She spoke Marathi, Sanskrit, Hindi fluently and had studied Indian arts and traditions in depth. So this is about the Paramveer Chakra. Now the names of the person, the 21st bravest of the brave who got the Paramveer Chakra is Major Somnath Sharma, Lance Naik Karan Singh, Second Lieutenant Rama Raghubarani, Naik Jadunath Singh, Company Havaldar Major Piru, Captain Gurubachan Singh Salaria, Major Dhan Singh Thapa, Subedar Joginder Singh, Major Shaitan Singh, Company Quartermaster Havildar Abdul Hamid, Lieutenant Colonel Ardeshir Guruji Tarapure, Lance Nayak Alvadekka, Second Lieutenant Arun Khatrapal, Major Hoshiar Singh, Nayak Subedar Bana Singh, Major Ramaswaya Parmeshwaran, Lieutenant Major Kumar Pandey, Grenadier Yogendra Singh Yadav, Rifleman Sanjay Kumar, Captain Vikram Batra, Flying Officer Nirmajit Singh Sekhon. So today we are see the information about the Flying Officer Nirmajit Singh Sekhon. Okay, he is the squadron number 18, the Flying Bullets. Okay, how he got the Paramveer Chakra for his bravery. Okay, okay. On the 14th of December 1971, Srinagar airfield was attacked by a wave of 6 enemy Sabra aircraft. Okay, 14th December 1971, Srinagar airfield was attacked by wave of 6 enemy Sabra aircraft. Flying Officer Nirmajit Singh Sekhon was on readiness duty at that time. He could not take off immediately because of clouds of dust raised by another aircraft. By the time the runway was clear, the enemy aircraft were overhead. They were flying low, firing and attacking the airfield with bombs. Even then, Flying Officer Sekhon took off in his Nat fighter the moment he could. He began to combat the powerful Sabra aircraft of the enemy. He damaged 2 of them. His fight with the attacking aircraft now continued at tree-topped height. At last, the enemy aircraft fled from the scene of battle. The airfield and the town of Srinagar were saved, but alas, Flying Officer Sekhon's aircraft too crashed and he was killed. So by this, in this, we can say fighting, he saved the saved that particular Srinagar, whatever the area is there, but unfortunately his aircraft crashed and he was killed. Flying Officer Sekhon displayed great flying skill and determination in the face of certain death. He showed unmatched heroism above and beyond the call of duty. Salute to the bravest of the brave. Flying Officer Nirmaljit Singh Sekhon. Do read more on the internet at www.paramveerchakra.com about the gallant PVC awardees who laid down their lives in the service of the country. You will see that they belong to various communities and religions. Do find and read the inspiring accounts of how they face the enemy without any regard for their fatal wounds and physical pain. See, they fight very, very bravely. So here's the story of the Flying Officer Nirmaljit Singh Sekhon. He show his great flying skill and determination in the face of certain death. Okay, he fight very bravely, and lastly he saved the Srinagar, whatever the attack, area attacked by the enemy. So he saved him, but unfortunately he lost his life. Okay. So this is about the Flying Officer Nirmaljit Singh Sekhon. So if you have to read more on the internet, so you just go and search the site www.paramveerchakra.com about the gallant PVC's awardees who laid down their lives in the service of the country. You will see that they belong to various communities and religions. Do find and read the inspiring accounts how they face the enemy without any regard to their fatal wounds and physical pain. So in this way, Nirmaljit Sekhon sacrificed his life for nation. Okay. So this is about the Paramveer Chakra, and this is about our hero, Flying Officer Nirmaljit Singh Sekhon. So as you know, the Paramveer Chakra is very rare honor. So far, it has been awarded only 21 times. Paramveer Chakra awarded only 21 times. It has been awarded only 21 times. 14 of these awards were given posthumously. 14 were given. Okay. So see, you know the appearance of what was there written on the that medal. It is simple. It is simple in appearance. It is made of bronze and is fitted with swivel mounting and has a plain purple ribbon. On the obverse, it has the Indian national emblem at the center, surrounded by 4 replicas of Indra's Vajra. On the reverse, the words Paramveer Chakra were engraved in Hindi and English, with 2 lotus flowers in between. Okay, with 2 lotus flowers in between. So this is the description of Paramveer Chakra. See, now what are the meanings of particular word? legendary. Meaning of some words are given. Legendary, very famous and admired. Meaning of legendary is very famous and admired. Conspicuous, outstanding. Conspicuous means outstanding. Posthumously, after a person's death. Posthumously means after a person's death. Fitted with civil mounting, fixed in a way which allows it to move freely. Fixed in a way which allows it to move freely. Obverse and reverse, the front and the back sides of the medal. Obverse side and reverse side, front and back side. Emblem, symbol, an object that represents something. Emblem is symbol, an object that represents something. Thunderbolt, a flash of lightning with a clap of thunder that strikes at something. Thunderbolt means what? A flash of lightning with a clap of thunder that strikes at something. Invincible, impossible to defeat. Invincible means impossible to defeat. Determination, strong resolve, perseverance. Determination is strong resolve or perseverance. Gallant means brave, courageous. Gallant means brave, courageous. Inspiring means motivating. Inspiring, motivating. Account, a description of an event. Account means a description of an event. Fatal, causing death. Fatal is causing death. Fatal means causing death. Okay. Inspiring means motivating. Inspiring story is motivating story. Account means a description of an event. Okay. Invincible. Invincible means impossible to defeat. That is invincible. Okay. That is invincible. So this is about the words and their meanings. Okay. So you have to revise this lesson. Very simple. Name of the brave persons who got the Paramveer Chakra is given, and the story of Nirmajit Sekhon is given in very short. How the medal is designed, who designed this medal, Paramveer Chakra, that is also given. So only 2-page lesson is there, very small lesson. So please go through it. Paramveer Chakra. Okay, read the lesson. Reading is very important. Read the lesson. Okay. Paramveer Chakra, our hero. This is very important. In tomorrow's period, we will start the question answers of this. Okay. Revision of the question answers of this period. Okay. So we will stop here. Okay. So go through it, read the lesson,